In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, open Settings and scroll down to access Google. Then hit All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to use Autofill with Google. As you can see, my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that Autofill is off. To switch it back on, hit the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!